Speaking about sleep habits,
Yes.
what would you do if your partner is snoring
Oh,
during
man.
during the night?
Oh. Hello.
Hey, finally, you answered me.
Yeah, I mean, I had a booking already, so I only just finished my last booking, and you were booked for now. So,
Uh-huh. So am I late or I came very early?
you came very early.
Wow, because Cambly sent me like a notification like 5 minutes ago, like you should call your tutor. So, oh my goodness.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
that's strange. No, I was in another reservation. So, anyway, we're here now.
yeah.
So, tell me, what's your name?
My name is Ahmed. And you?
Ahmed. My name's Georgia.
Georgia.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Georgia.
Very nice to meet you, Ahmed.
I really like to have like a funny conversation because today I have like so much energy
Yeah,
to
you
speak in
seem like you've
English.
got loads of energy. I love it.
Exactly, yeah. So I would like to talk about like sleep habits.
Of course, yes. Sleep
Yeah,
habits. Okay, of
but in a funny way. What do you
course.
think?
Yeah, do it. I'm happy with that.
And you seems you haven't slept like for a while,
What?
isn't it?
Do I really seem that I've not slept for a while? I literally got up maybe an hour and a half ago.
Uh-huh. Yeah, just like me. I woke up 2 hours ago. Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. And what time is it there at the moment?
If I tell you my time, uh, I will be lazy,
Super
because it's
lazy. Yeah, because it's
because
earlier here.
it's
Yep.
afternoon here.
Mhm. Oh, and you only got
It's
2 hours ago.
yeah, it's 1 a.m. p.m.
1 p.m. So you got up at like 11.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's why I told you I'm lazy.
Lazy. But you had loads of
Yeah,
sleep and you've got loads of energy now.
exactly. Yeah, we need. So, how many hours do you sleep per night?
I would say maybe like between 8 and 9 hours.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's the regular hours
Mhm.
that the person need to sleep.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And how many hours do you sleep then? Do you sleep more?
Yeah, I sleep like 6 hours, and sometimes I sleep for just 4 hours. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
oh,
exactly.
that's
Yeah,
really not that much.
yeah. Because I used to be like a night owl.
Okay. Hmm.
Yeah. And how about you? Just tutoring on Cambly, or you have another job?
So I tutor on Cambly, but I also tutor on another platform as well. So two different, both English teaching, but yeah.
Yeah, in teaching field. You don't.
Yes.
So have you had like a job related with another field, not with
Yes.
teaching?
Yeah. So the English teaching is actually quite a recent thing for me. Maybe a year I've been doing this. But
Mm,
before
yeah.
I was an assistant project manager in a construction company.
Uh-huh.
So very different to what I'm doing right now.
Yeah, it's totally different. Yeah.
Totally different. Yeah. So
So, but it's all about like dealing with people.
exactly. Yeah.
Y-
Dealing with people.
y-
That's the one.
Speaking about sleep habits,
Yes.
uh, what would you do if your partner is snoring
Oh
during
man.
during the night?
Oh, I would push
Can
them,
I give you
wake
can I
them
give
up.
you options? Can I give you
Yes, give
options?
me options. Yes, please. Let's see what your
Okay.
options are.
And obviously you have like a pillow, like a pillow next to you.
Mhm,
Okay. Of course, some people they use like extra pillow.
mhm.
So you can use it.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay. And tell me another option.
Just to shove them, to
Sure. Yeah, sometimes it works. Yeah.
poke them, wake them up,
Yeah,
shout at
sometimes it
them. You're
works.
snoring. Shut up.
Yours. So what about you? Do you snore?
I don't think so. Do
Maybe you
you
can
snore?
tell because yeah, my wife sometimes tell me like you snore a lot. Me
You're like,
and
what? I don't
I,
know.
I didn't believe her until I saw my video. I was snoring. She was
She's
filming,
videoing you.
shooting a video.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh. So now you've got proof. She's got proof that you snore.
Yeah, exactly. You know, do you mean like breathe, snore?
Sorry, say that again.
I don't know. You said something that I
Oh,
don't know.
proof.
Proof?
Proof. Let me type this word for
Like
you.
short?
No. Proof.
Ah.
So she
Proof. Yeah,
has
proof. Yeah,
of
proof.
you
Yeah,
snoring.
yeah. So, where are you from?
So I'm from Scotland in the UK.
So it's all about accent, yeah.
Can you
Yeah.
understand my accent? Okay.
Yeah, but proof. Yeah,
Proof.
I didn't recognize this this word.
I see.
Yeah, I read like two stories about Scotland, and it
Okay.
was beautiful. Actually, it was amazing. Yeah,
What was the stories?
it's like kids stories about like learning English. So I'm learning English through these stories, and it was about like an old man living in an island with his wife,
Okay.
and he was like a fisherman, and sometimes he pick up some people, get them from his island to another island, and I remember he was talking about like the currency there, but not nowadays. Like
So like a
I
long
don't know,
time ago.
a long time ago. About maybe the shilling,
Oh, shilling. Yeah. Okay.
right?
Yeah, we had like shillings, and I think it was like a 5 pence and a
Pence.
tuppence or something, and I don't know. Obviously,
Yeah.
it wasn't when I was alive.
Yeah, he wasn't there actually.
Yeah, my
Yeah,
grandparents talk about it. They're like, "Oh, enough, yeah, the shilling or whatever."
yeah. So maybe the currency was there. It's all about like metal currency, right? It's not like
Uh,
paper.
yeah, I think back in the day it was, yeah, like metal
Yeah.
ones, and we still have mixed now. Like we have both paper. Well, actually, it's
Uh-huh.
more like plastic. We have plastic notes.
Plastic notes.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
So instead of paper, it's plastic now.
You use like just like credit cards and this stuff.
No, so it's the paper notes that you get that are like I don't even know how to describe it because I don't know what Iraq's currency is like. But like
We
have
have like just like papers. The
yeah,
currency just like papers.
okay, so we have the same, but
Yes.
they changed it from the material of paper to
Yeah.
plastic. Same,
Wow.
but plastic
Uh-huh,
now. So that it doesn't you know how paper gets like all wrinkly and it can easily tear, whereas the plastic is very strong and it's still flexible, but it's stronger.
Yeah, that's what I want to ask you. I was going to ask you about like, is it flexible or not?
Yeah, it's flexible still. It's still exactly the same, but just made in a different material. That's all.
Yeah.
I wish I
good
had. I
material.
don't have my purse here, so I can't show you what it looks like.
Or maybe you are broke.
Maybe I'm just hiding. I'm just covering
But
it up.
you know, some people they use like they prefer to use credit cards and transportation cards more than like dealing with the paper and currency, metal currency,
true.
right?
I mean, I use my credit or my
Yeah.
card quite a lot, definitely. I don't always deal with cash so often now because everywhere here you have contactless payment, and we can contactless pay for loads of things now.
Yeah, but sometimes you have to to get cash in your pocket, right?
Yeah, definitely. Sometimes, of course. Yeah.
Actually, for Iraqi people, we are no longer use metal currency, just paper currency.
Oh, it's just paper. Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. So literally no metal whatsoever. No,
No metal.
no
Yeah.
little
We used
coins
to.
at all.
We used to use metal current money in the past, but we are no longer use this metal money.
Ah, wow, interesting. And
Yeah,
what is the currency called in Iraq?
dinar.
Dinar.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
It starts. It starts with the letter D.
Oh, D. So
Yeah,
it's
D.
like dinar, like
Dinar.
dinar. Okay.
Yeah.
Dinar.
How about your currency?
So we have like the British pound, or
Pound.
yeah, sterling.
Yeah.
Sterling money.
Yeah.
But yeah, super interesting.
Yeah, through Cambly, we can learn so many things about the world,
Exactly. I know. I love meeting people from all over the world. Like, it's so interesting. Yeah.